Hello from Slovenia again. Last week I did this reverse flower dip kind of with puddles that I lift my napkin right down, and today I will try this technique again on some oval canvas, and I will pour some white for base, and I will do some changes because last time I lift my napkin kind of from top to bottom, and this time I want to do this the opposite way, from the bottom to the top, that maybe some stems or flowers will look more natural. We will see how this will work, if this will make any change at all. And because I will use paper napkin, I need quite some paint for the base. Okay, and now I will add some of this Amsterdam olive green light, and I will just do some drizzles of paint just for kind of a background, and to this direction to just creating kind of a background. And I will add some of this Naples yellow light and some pearl white, of course, for some lacing effect, hopefully, and some Arteza Prussian green. I really like this green. And now to the flowers. I don't have my painting squeeze bottles, so I will add just puddles. This is Prussian phthalo blue, Amsterdam. And I will add pearl white. And manganese, phthalo blue. Pearl white again. And phthalo cyan blue. This is Arteza. No. Artina. Oop. And then I will add some green leaves to because this is kind of a background, this greenery. Oh, and I have gold for extreme sheen, gold for the middle. Okay, so I want some kind of leaves around these flowers. Let's do this first and then I will see, because I have quite a lot of greenery for background already. I want one leaf kind of here. Let's do one here. Okay. And I will grab a stick. Flora nera. And I will grab my paper napkin. Do you hear the dogs? They are totally crazy. When postman brings, you know, they're a few meters around, and then Nera try to be, you know, the dominant one, and Flora tell her, wait a minute, I'm here much longer than you, so okay. And let's put the napkin down. And the other half. Okay, and I will tap this a little bit, especially where the flowers and leaves are. Okay. Let's do that. I almost did the mistake that I didn't want to, so I will lift it from this part to that part, from the bottom to the top this time. Wow. Wow. Loving what I love what I see. Totally love. Maybe I could do one more bloom, but I really love this because it's just gorgeous. An abstract flower painting for my taste. If you see this piece, you can tell immediately how somebody did that, because it almost looks like it's drawn or something. I just want to break this gold a little bit here on this one. This is the one with 3 petals, I think. There was just too much gold for my taste. Still is, but a little better. So less gold next time, because I will definitely try once more with maybe just some dots of blue here and there, you know, to balance this, but it's gorgeous anyway, I think. So here is a close-up. Maybe a little too much gold. Not maybe, probably. So I will definitely do one more with these colors with less gold, or maybe even no gold, and some more blue, but little flowers around. But after all, I love the result. I really do. It's a beautiful abstract painting, flower painting. So, but it's easy one, even if you don't know how to draw flowers. You don't need a brush. You just need some paint and imagination. This is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.